You found a good toy. You're cute. Sounds like you're making quite a ruckus. Great. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, where did Milo go? Where's Milo? Milo? Milo, where did... Oh, there you are. Oh, you're so cute. Whoa, crazy baby. Crazy baby. You could do some damage with that little monkey bag. Yeah, you pulled the handle out all the way. And how you did that. Oh, there you went. Oh, where'd Milo go? Are you ready for night-night? Oh, where did Milo go? Milo. There you are. Oh, my stars. You're so cute. Oh, can you jump for me? Milo, you want to jump? Can you jump? Good job. Can you jump again? Oh, can you jump? Oh, you're hiding. Are you tired? You tired? Oh, okay. Oh, maybe not. You're silly. Oh, you got it stuck. It's stuck in the caterpillar. There it is. You're silly. I better go get you some safety goggles. Oh, you're tired. Where did Milo go? There he is. Oh, you stand up. You got your toe. Quit trying. It's still on your toe. Oh, my goodness. You got it. Okay. You're cute. You're gonna hit yourself. All right. You ready? Want to go night-night? Let's go night-night. You're silly. Okay.